you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today is gonna be a Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply a few of the products that I did receive in the box. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a like, and let's get into this. I don't want to have a long intro. So I did already open the box and I did see what I got already. So I am just going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. I haven't did one of these Boxycharm unboxings in just like forever. So when you open up, you do get a card. The card this month, the theme is called Spellbound, and they are offering a whole bunch of like deals and stuff that they give you the dates here, and this month the prices are located on the back. So first thing in my box, I received these Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. These are like some eye patches. Let's see. These retail for $20 and you do get 10 sets of these. So here's what the packaging looks like, and it's in like a little metal tin. Kind of reminds you of like a Band-Aid box, but you get the collagen pads on the inside of here and they're all individually wrapped. So that's really kind of cool. Okay, so those retail for $20. So next I got this Perricone MD Citrus Brightening Cleanser. This retails for $35. So there's what the bottle looks like. I do love me a good cleanser, so I will use this. So next thing in the box, I got this Tarte Plumping Lip Gloss. It retails for $19, and I got mine in the shade Buff. There's what the packaging looks like. I'm really excited about this, to get a Tarte product in the box. It's really neat. Next thing I got is this Georgia Peach Benefit Box Blush. I'm so excited to have gotten this. I don't have any Benefit of their box blushes. This retails for $30. So it comes in this, whoops, oh, there went the brush, but it's just a really pretty like peachy toned blush. So excited for this. And then the last couple things I got this Lily Lashes Level Up Enhancing Lash Serum. This retails for $65. I don't think I would ever pay $65 for a lash serum. So this says it's supposed to like really help grow your lashes within like 12 weeks. So I'm excited to try this out. I don't really have any lash serums. I've never really taken the time to try them. So I'm excited to give this a try. We shall see if it actually works. Sometimes I wonder if those things are just like hoax or if they really do the duty. I don't know. And then the last thing I got is from LYS Beauty, and I have never tried anything from LYS Beauty, and I love their packaging. The LYS stands for Love Yourself, and this is their, let's see, No Limits Matte Bronzer. It retails for $18. This is the outside cardboard packaging, and then I'll open up and show you. Here is the component, and then in the inside, here is the shade. I got the shade medium. This is just so cute. I just love the packaging. So yeah, it's in the shade Harmony is the name of the shade, but it is the medium shade. So I'm excited about this. This was one of the products I do remember picking whenever I picked, because you're allowed to pick 2 of the items. So I'm going to go ahead and at least try out these 2 items that I can, and I'll probably put on the lip gloss too, but the other like skincare items I can't really try out. I did do like all my makeup that I could, but I made sure to wait on the bronzer and the blush. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in, and I'm going to go ahead and put on some of the LYS bronzer. Let's see. Here's my brush. Please don't mind my dirty bronzer brush. I just like to use this LMR bronzing brush. Get my pineapple mirror here. It does seem to be like really nice. It's not like so pigmented that like you can't like build it up. Like it seems like it'll be a bronzer you can kind of build up. I was a little worried about getting the medium shade just because when I went to pick my choice of products, it the like lighter shades were already out of stock, so I didn't really have a choice. I was like, well, I'll just go like lighter handed, or you know, I just won't be able to like build it up or anything. So I'm glad that I'm actually glad that I had to pick the medium shade because it seems to be really good. Okay, that applied really nicely and I like it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try out some of the Georgia Peach blush now. I like to use this like angled brush for my blush. This is not a matte blush. It kind of has like a sheen to it. And for me, I feel like I'm having to build it up a little bit because I really like my blush to kind of like stand out on my face. But it is really pretty. And it has that like standard Benefit like face product smell. I love that smell. It's kind of like a perfumey smell. I don't know. Okay, I like it. And I'm just going to go ahead and then apply some of this Tarte Plumping Lip Gloss. It's really pretty. Yeah. It's nice. I like it a lot. So yeah. That's all the products I could try for my Boxycharm this month. Let me know in the comments down below if you got any of these same products as me. Have you been enjoying them? You know, do you like my Boxycharm videos? Let me know, because I haven't been able to do them. It seems like lately my boxes have been coming in just like so late in the month that it's like, why even put it up when it's like the last week of October or something? But it actually came, what was it, Friday? What was that, like the 6th or something? Because today is Sunday. It's like the 8th or I don't know what something today. I don't know what day of the week it is. Anyways, the box came earlier and I was able to feel like I could film it and get it up and still be early enough in the month. So yeah, I'll quit rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing try-on video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give this video a like. And don't forget that you're absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.